Okay, here's my video. I have a 2002 Oldsmobile Alero. And when I get in my car and I go to turn it on, and I turn it to turn the car on, and nothing happens. All the power is on and everything, but nothing is happening. So I did some research, and it turns out that the security alarm goes out in these vehicles after 10 years, and it's very expensive to replace them. So in order to fix that problem, you have to reset it. So what I'm going to do is, it's 3:16. I'm going to leave it on the on position, and it's going to blink for 10 minutes exactly. So at 3:26, I'll be able to turn the car on and it will work again. This happens randomly whenever it wants to, and I have no control over it. So if you're having this issue, this is how you take care of it. And I will be back in 10 minutes and I will show you that it will start. Okay. It is now 3:25. It's almost 3:26. And we're almost about to be ready to restart the car. Started recording a little soon, but a minute's a minute. Okay, there it's 3:26. And what it will do is it'll stop blinking. It'll go out, and then it'll demonstrate it. You can see it. Watch. All right, there it goes. Okay, and it goes out. So then you'll be able to turn it off. And there you go. And there you have it. That's how you reset your 2002 Oldsmobile Alero. I'm pretty sure this type of reset works for most failed alarm systems. So hope it works for you. Leave a comment below.